These are the Loddie Doddie Chalk Markers. They are the earth tones, and they have the chisel tip or the reversible fine point tip. So when you first get them out, you can choose which side of the tip you want to use. You just simply pull out that velvet tip and you flip it around. Now, how to make these work. You're going to shake them really good. You're going to push down until you start seeing the chalk ink come through the marker. And then you're going to write, and then you're going to recap them. You want to store these horizontally, as that will keep them fresher long. As you can see, this is the chisel tip. This is the thicker one. And I'm just going to quickly give you a couple little glances of what these are going to look like, okay? They do take a second to dry. Again, this is on an acrylic chalkboard. This is not a normal chalkboard. So it's going to look a lot more sheenier than a normal chalkboard would. But I really like these. I've used them for baby shower signs. I've used them for wedding signs. I've used them for holidays and seasons. I really enjoy chalk markers. It's just my thing that I do. So if you are into chalk markers, handwriting, and any of that, designing, coloring, these are for you. I would recommend them.